Hello everyone, I hope you all doing well today. This is Lifestyle Gardener. Welcome to my channel. Please remember to like and share. Today I'm going to show you what I did different to achieve making rice vinegar. I take a little bit of different approach and this actually seemed to be working. So stay tuned as I show you what I did. I have half-gallon bottle on the table and I fill it halfway with filtered water. Then I take a tablespoon of rice vinegar that I bought from the grocery store. I take about 8 tablespoons of sugar and I put it in the bottle because I have about 4 cups of cooked rice. I take my plastic spoon to stir the sugar inside the bottle. I put the funnel on top of the bottle so I can pour the rice inside the half-gallon bottle easily. I take my time and I pour the rice inside the bottle carefully to make sure it don't spill anywhere. Then I pour more water in the bottle. Then afterwards, I take my plastic spoon and I stir the water with the rice more. Afterwards, I remove the funnel and I take a clean fabric, and I put it over the bottle and I secure it with a rubber band. So I kept it somewhere in the kitchen where I could keep an eye on it, and I'll tell you what happened afterwards. So you all, I am learning a lot about making vinegars, and the key thing that I learned about making vinegar is that you need some form of sugar in order for it to start to ferment. Because the first batch of rice vinegar that I tried and made, it didn't form vinegar. Instead it developed mold at the top, and I did not know at that time that when you start to try to make vinegar, after 3 days of making it, the vinegar, if it doesn't start developing some sort of bubble at the top, that means your vinegar is not starting off, it's not starting to ferment off. And that's what happened with the first batch of rice vinegar. I didn't even put any sugar at all in it. So let me guys show you with this vinegar, it's actually started to develop some bubbles. I don't think the camera can really pick it up too much. Oh, there it is. It's actually starting to develop some bubbles inside, and that is actually a good sign showing that the vinegar is starting off. I have a couple fruit flies, sorry about that. I have a couple fruit flies in the apartment, but I kill off most of it by using my homemade wine. Most of them by using my homemade wine. But what I learned about so far making a wine vinegar, rice vinegar, is that you need a lot of sugar to make it, because I had about 4 cups of rice in here, and I put about 2 tablespoons.
Sorry, I meant to say I put about 8 tablespoons of sugar, not 2 tablespoons.
After 3 days of doing that, it didn't start to develop any bubbles at the top, any gas air at the top, and I know that it wasn't fermenting. So what I did, the third day, I put another 2 tablespoons of sugar inside. I think it's 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar inside. And then the next day, the bubbles that you see that is here, it was actually more bubbles yesterday than today. So now I know that the fermentation is starting off. So if you're gonna make homemade vinegar, it's very important for the vinegar to start developing bubbles after 3 days. Otherwise, it's not gonna form vinegar. And with that in mind, all of my vinegars, I try to stir them with a wooden spoon every 2 days or every day. I stir it to help prevent any mold from developing at the top. So the key to making homemade ferments is to keep trying, keep researching, keep trying, and you will succeed in the end. So I am learning. I just like to share this with you guys.